Hello guys. So I'm glad to see you after a long time. So I was thinking to make this video from long time as always, but never was not able to made time for it. But today I made a time for it, and here we are going with the video. So today's topic is it's about the competitive world and our life balance. So uh, at as of now, I'm working in DAE, which is Department of Atomic Energy, basically as a nuclear engineer or scientific officer in central government. It's a good job. It's a central government job and it's a class one job. So in short, I'm telling you that I'm having very stable, you can say very stable life or stable career, but the main that's what I want to explain you that although you are seeing it's as a stable, but currently I'm going in training sessions like here they are teaching us, like I'm from instrumentation, so they are teaching us that nuclear science. Okay, so nuclear physics and nuclear science and everything comes in. So in that now, like what happened for our posting, we have to like every Saturday, every weekend, we are having test, and on in that we have to make a good mark so we can get a list in merit list. We can get our name higher in merit list, and from merit list we will get option for our final posting after 1 year. So I hope you are getting what I want to say. That because of that that merit list and everything, the people the environment is becoming like such very competitive environment. So as of now, very competitive environment is there. I hope my colleagues, some of my colleagues will see this video, so they also know that environment is getting competitive day by day. So everyone want to get the location as near to their home. But my perspective is it's okay. You will get the location nearby your home, but you should not miss uh, you should spend time with your friends. You will talk to your near and dears. So you should not limit yourself by like this is my goal and I want to achieve this. Uh, I if you guys are following from me long time, like at least from 1.5 year ago from that time, I'm also saying you that you should always go with your dreams, always go with your priorities, goals and setting. But what I figured out is, or what I understood is in last 6 7 months, yeah, or last 1 year, uh, it's okay till that one certain limit in anything, I think. Like example in career, it's okay to be it's completely fine. You are trying to be best, or you want you to be best till getting the job. But if you are continuing, if you are keeping it continue, although after getting good job, then also you will fight for your location. So I don't think, from my perspective, I don't think it's a proper way, because life is not only about the location or only about the being near to your home. It's about living your life in every aspect. Okay, so that was one point. Another point is, although if you okay, so if you go with this principle that you want to be your near home and you will put your heart and mind and body, everything in that direction. But if you go with this mindset now, if you are preparing for UPSC, and in UPSC, if you are lucky, or if you had that guts to do the hard work that can which UPSC is requiring, so you will maybe get into Labasna, or you will get into good position. good service in UPSC, but there also you will have that mindset that I want to do the best. So because of that, now what happened? We kill our happiness. Uh, Indirectly, you will find out that you are killing your own happiness in your life also. If you are achieving, if you have achieved something stable, or if you have achieved something relevant, your family is needing money and you are getting good amount of money, and you are also satisfied, little bit of satisfaction, because nothing is perfect. So I think it's a good way. You should not seek much of money and I want to do this and that and I will try my whole and soul for that. I don't think so it's a good way, because you have to balance the things. Okay, that is one thing. You will not able to be happy, although you will get the IS. IS the topmost service anyone can get in India. So although you get that, now you will not be happy, because your mindset is like that. You want to uh, achieve something better. So this mindset is okay or very good till some at certain momentum in life, till the certain certain points in your life. But after that, you should be living your life by balanced life. And one more thing is, uh, there are some things in my previous organization, my manager was Saurabh sir. So they told me one day, I was little. I was not completely okay at that moment, at that time, or some temporary period. So he called me in a cabin, like we had a discussion, and he told me literally, and I'm very glad he told me that, and I still have it with me in my diary. So he told me that, Shrikant, uh, for some things we cannot do anything. So you can only take decision and let go the thing. Okay, that is a very good suggestion that sir told me, and I'm following it till today. Because there, if you introspect or if you see your past, now you will find out that there were some things you were very worried about, but you did not hand you. It was not in your hand to uh, change a decision or some anything you was not you were not having in hand. So you were worried so much, but in that position, if you just take the decision and let go the things, because in life everything is not in our control. So there will be some things, there will be certain points that you will not have any other options. You have to do it, or it's what I can say. I'm also not able to convey it, but at some point you have to accept the things, or whatever or whatever is happening with you, it's okay, because uh, some things we will get, some things we have to lose. So that was my point of the video, guys. So I hope you are doing good in your career, personal life, everything. uh, I hope you are being healthy and taking care of your health. So that was all about today's video, guys. So I'm happy to see myself back with this video things, because as you know, I made a lot of videos at the time of gate preparation. So see you again, guys. Bye bye.